In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio spectrum effect in CapCut. This creative touch can really elevate your video content, and I'm excited to walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. To get started, open up CapCut on your device and find the specific project you want to enhance with this dynamic effect. Once you've tapped on your project, our next stop is the text options. Now tap on the text button. This will open up a world of possibilities for text and visual elements, but for our purpose today, we're going to focus on adding a sticker. So go ahead and navigate to the stickers section. In this treasure trove of fun and engaging visual elements, you'll want to make use of the search bar located at the top. This is where the magic begins. Type in keywords like audio or audio spectrum. Then don't hesitate to hit that search icon to browse through the various options available. Take your time to explore the diverse selection of audio spectrum styles presented to you. This is where you get to infuse your personal taste into your project. Once you've settled on a style that really speaks to you, you'll need to select it. To apply your chosen audio spectrum to your project, simply tap Cancel. Yes, this might feel counterintuitive, but what we're doing here is placing the selected option into our editing workspace. Then hit the checkmark to confirm and add it to your project. With the audio spectrum sticker now added, it's time to tailor it to fit your video perfectly. You can adjust its duration to match the audio or segment of your video that you want by dragging the white edges of the sticker. This allows for a seamless integration, making sure it appears and disappears at just the right moment. Don't forget about positioning. You can move the sticker around on your screen to find the optimal spot. Perhaps you want it front and center or maybe subtly positioned in a corner. Wherever it looks best to you, you can also resize it, making it as bold or as discreet as you prefer. Once everything is set up, hit the play button to preview your video with the newly inserted audio spectrum effect. Take a moment to ensure it's aligning perfectly with your creative vision. If it looks good and you're pleased with the result, you're ready for the final step. Tap on Export to save your video and make this brilliant enhancement a permanent part of your project. And there you have it. You've just added an audio spectrum effect in CapCut. This little extra touch is sure to captivate your audience and add a dynamic flair to your video. Thanks for watching and happy editing.